Hi. So, foremost, I wanted to apologize to all my supporters. All of you have followed me, have supported me. I know I've been MIA for a while, but I will talk about it in another video. But I have this beautiful look I want to have up for you guys, so here it is. So, I'm going to start off with a moisturizer. I'm using Laura Mercier. I have recently started doing my foundation differently, and I just love how it all looks. So, I'm going to apply my moisturizer on camera because I usually apply it off camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my moisturizer. I love to lather this all over my skin just because I love how beautiful and amazing my skin feels with this. So I do like to apply this all over, and I do like to take my time applying this because it just feels amazing. I don't know what it is about this specific Laura Mercier moisturizer. Like, I can't live without it. It feels amazing on my skin. So yeah, I really didn't want to fast forward this video. Then I'm going to start off with my Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. I'm going to apply this all over my skin as well. Just want to make sure that my foundation has something to stick to and it'll last all day to me. And yeah, don't mind my breakouts. I was just having like a really bad breakout that week. So this new product is from IT Cosmetics. It's the Dark Spot. Is it like a concealer? It's called Bye Bye Dark Spots Concealer and Serum. Look, I'm applying this. I did show it in my Instagram and Facebook if you guys want to follow me on there. That's where you should apply my put my videos out first. But it covered up my pimples, it covered up my under eyes and my vitiligo. I don't know if you guys know, but I was recently diagnosed with vitiligo. I am starting to get the white spots on my face. I'm not really used to them yet, so I still try to conceal them, and I applied this one and it helped a lot. It really covered the discoloration. So yeah, so that's why I'm taking my time on this eye, because I'm actually getting vitiligo on this eye right here. So I am blending it out and making sure that I do take my time with it. And then I'm also getting it on the side of my cheek. So I do apply it just to kind of cover up a little bit, because when I try to conceal, it does kind of like peek through, and I really don't like that. So you guys can see like how even that was. So then I'm gonna go ahead and move on with my KVD foundation. I will list the information down below. I think I'm in the color number 30. I'm not sure. But I like to dot the foundation onto my skin. Sorry, I'm not flipping you off, but I don't know why I like to use that finger to kind of dot the foundation onto my skin. I don't know why, but recently I've been doing this a lot, and I feel like my foundation looks a lot more flawless. And I don't know what the science, whatever, it just is working out. Like, I really like how this foundation is working out. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I dot that all over my face, and then I go back with my Juno sponge that I've been loving a lot lately, just because my oldest daughter has started doing makeup as well, and I gifted her one of these a while back, and she started using it, and she's like, Mom, I love this. So I decided to go back and buy some, and so yeah, we decided we're gonna start using Juno sponges because they are amazing. I love them. I just love how they apply the foundation. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all out. Also, I will be having a few videos up before I actually sit down and talk to you guys and let you guys know, updates on my life. I know I haven't really been on here. It's just a lot going on. But definitely check out my social medias. I know I kind of really been slacking on my social medias as well. Like I said, I've just been having a lot going on. At one point, I was thinking of just quitting and just, not doing videos. But honestly, I enjoy doing videos, and I do them for the fun of it. I don't do them just to get famous or anything, because I honestly don't consider myself famous. But it's a lot of discouraging when, you don't get the recognition you deserve. I feel like I've been doing this for so long, and I just feel like the more I do videos, I know because I don't do like drama, and I'm not like really famous, so it's not like really working out for me lately, but it's okay. We're gonna do this for the people that actually like to watch me do makeup, so I'll just stick to that. Not so much for anything else. So for here, I am applying two concealers. I applied the lightest shade first. These are from Elf. I think these are the camouflage concealers. So that's what I'm using. I forgot to show the other one, but I do apply the other one just to kind of like make it not so light, because I feel like it was a little too light. I don't know. But yeah, just going to go ahead and blend that out. And then I'm going to use two powders. I love this combination. But my face was really dry this day. I was sick. I had breakouts and my face was really dry. So I kind of made it my acne to show a little bit more and my dryness. But it's okay because usually it works out. So the powders I'm using is the Laura Mercier and Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. That is my go-to. If you guys are an OG on my channel, you guys know that I've been using the Too Faced Peach Perfect for a long time. That's my go-to. That's my powder. And I'm sad because they discontinued it and I am running out of that powder. So if you guys know any place that I can actually get it, let me know, because that's my go-to powder and I cannot find it anywhere. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Then I'm going with this One Size blush. And it's my go-to blush now. I really like it. It's very pigmented. It's so pretty. I actually sold Amy's, my oldest. Hers is a pink one. Is that one that was like sold out for so long? It's the Attention Seeker. I really like how that one looks as well. So I will be showing that in another video, I believe. So yeah. Then I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face a little bit. I am using Laura Mercier Contour. And this brush is from Kevyn Aucoin. I really don't know how to say the last part, but yeah. You guys kind of get the gist, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face a little bit just to make it seem a little bit less round. Because no matter what I do to it, it will always look round. And I am okay with it. I'm going to accept it. And that's just that. So for highlight, I am using the Laura Mercier highlighter as well. I've been loving Laura Mercier lately. It's like Laura Mercier is amazing. I feel like they need to get a little bit more recognition, and I definitely love them. So I'm just applying a little bit of highlighter. Milk this hydro setting spray is amazing. I love it. I don't know how I went without it, but it's amazing. You guys got to try it. I definitely want to try the new one that they just came out with. This one's a more dewy. It makes your face look a little dewier. But I do want to try the matte new one that they just came out with, but it's always sold out. So I definitely need to try that. All right, moving on to eyes. I am going to be priming my eyes with this primer from Gerard Cosmetics. You can use code PrettyGrace for some money off. I really appreciate you guys using my codes. They means a lot to me. I also no longer am associating with Morphe anymore. So I don't know if I should keep my videos up or take them down. You know, they just didn't say anything anymore. I know they went bankrupt and everything. They just disconnected all the codes. I don't know if it was just my code or everybody's code, but my code is no longer working. I tried to use it the other day and it was not working. I sent them a message. They totally freaking ignore me. So I kind of think that's really rude. They could have just said, hey, you know, we're no longer going to be using affiliate codes or blah, blah, blah. They didn't say nothing. They ignored my message. Like always, I'm not surprised. But yeah. Anyways, so I am using this blush from ColourPop. And I'll put the name on the bottom bar because now I share my makeup with my oldest, Amy. So I kind of had to pick two colors. She picked two colors. And, you know, so I forgot the color of this one. But I really like it because it looks really peachy. So I was like, ooh, this would make a beautiful peachy look. And I'm like, girl, gotta get on it. So yeah, so I'll list everything down below. I will try to also link everything because I feel like if I linked everything for you guys, it would be a lot easier for you. Let me know if that's something that you guys would like for me to link everything instead of just putting the names down. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just blending everything out, making sure everything's nice and blended. Then I'm going with my setting powder. This one's from MAC, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my lid just to kind of give it a little bit of coverage and color and kind of make everything look really nice and smooth, as you guys can see. I'm using a small flat brush. I believe this is a ColourPop brush. I don't know. Then I'm going to go with Urban Decay's new eyeliners. I'm just going to do a little wing liner. A little bit, you know, just to kind of give it a little bit of depth. Kind of make, I was trying to go a little extra, honestly, because I wanted it to match my outfit that I was wearing. So Just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner, and I like this because it's soft and it's not too like exaggerating. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. Honestly, I'm not a pro at wing liner. I hardly ever do wing liner, so it's either a miss or it's like a girl, you did it, that you were actually able to do eyeliner. So yeah, so one eye always comes out great, the other one not so great. So it's whatever, it's makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to my lashes just to prep them for the falsies. Of course, you want to make sure that they're nice and coated. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit. I don't even know why I went ahead and applied mascara to the bottom lash lines, because I was going to go ahead and apply some shadow there, but I guess I wanted to skip. So for the bottom lash line shadow, I use the same blush that I use for ColourPop. The one that I use on top, I'm using at the bottom just to kind of keep the same color going. Then I'm going with these bold face lashes in Thrill Seeker. You can use code PrettyGrace for some money off. I really love bold face lashes because they have different variety. They have for my simple girlies and they have for my dramatic girlies, or in the middle. So yeah, for our lips, I'm using Morphe eyeliner, and I am using Jaclyn Hill liquid lip. I'll list that down below for you guys. So yeah, anyways, so look how pretty that looks. It looks really pretty. Okay, anyways, let's move on, girl. Let's move on. Okay, so I'm gonna go back with the eyeliner and just kind of reline my lips just to make sure that the eyeliner didn't disappear so much, because I kind of want the eyeliner to kind of show still. So yeah, for highlighter, I'm using Gerard Cosmetics. I think this is Marilyn or Grace. I'm not sure which one of these two, but I'll list it down below for you guys. You can use my code PrettyGrace for some money off. Is it going to focus? No, it didn't focus. So, yeah. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.